Hi everyone. Today we are going to be making an alarm clock in MIT App Inventor. So as you can see, I've aligned my horizontal and my vertical to the center. So now first for this we have to attach an extension. So if you just go to the bottom, scroll down to the bottom in the palette and then click extension. Now just click import extension, choose file, and now here I'm just gonna click on this extension and click open, import. Now as you can see, it's typhoon alarm, and now you just drag and drop it, but we can't see it because it's a non-visible component. So now we are going to go to the user interface and we are going to drag and drop a image, a label, 3 text box, and now go to the layout and you will see this horizontal arrangement. Now take it and put it right here and put this and this. Okay, now we are going to change the width of this text box. So this width is going to be, and now we're going to change the height to, okay, so now we're gonna go click the horizontal text box and change this background color to none, and then this text box we're also gonna do the height 10% and width 20%. Now we're gonna change this text for label 1 into set your alarm message. And now this font I am going to change into serif, and I'm going to change this to font italic, and now I'm going to change the size into 30. And now in this image I am going to put a picture. So upload file, choose file. In this I'm going to click clock. Okay, so now this image is too big, so we're going to change this height into 50%. Okay, now in this text box I'm going to change the width into full parent and then the height into 10%. And now I'm going to drag and drop another label right here, and then here I'm going to write set the time. Now I'm going to do the same over here, serif, font italic, 30. And now I'm going to put here I'm just gonna put hour, and here I'm going to put minute. And now here I'm going to put message box. Now we have to add a button. And now in this button I am going to change the shape into rounded, and now the text into save. And now in this text color I am going to change it to yellow and the background color into black. And now I'm going to change this to serif, italic, and now here I'm going to change it to 20. Okay, now let's go to the block part. Now in the block part, in the button 1, when button 1 dot click do, and then the typhoon alarm, you have to take the second one, the purple color one. So I'm just gonna put it right here. And then now in the text box 1, I am going to take this, but then you have to change this into message, text. And now you can just copy this and do this. This is the text box 3, 2, and this is the text box 3. So that's it for the block part. This app is very easy. Make sure you try it, and I will see you in my next video. So bye.